Welcome back to the channel, and today we're probably gonna finish this thing.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
Alright, we gotta go pick up a helicoil kit for this shit, because JT wanted to strip it out.
I didn't strip it. That's how the motor came. It's that one, and it's this one.
And the one I just showed. This one.
I think it's 3 total though. I think there's another one. I don't know. I'll figure it out later. But the guy bought it off of. He stripped like 3 of them. They were all like hand tight. I thought it was the gasket. No, they just weren't holding it down all the way. So yeah.
JT, I think you lost something.
Thanks, buddy. There you go. There you go. You got it.
What are you drinking over here?
Only the best.
You're drinking blank cream?
Blank cream?
Fuck
Yeah,
you.
Fucking retarded.
Oh shit, bro.
Yeah. Anyways, now back to the shop.
Dude, this guy's a piece of shit.
Fuck you. It's a daily. What's that noise?
Think you can hear it through the video?
Oh, you definitely can.
Oh my, this thing's gonna fall apart, bro.
It's alright. It's been 7 months strong. So what are we doing, Jordan?
I don't know. I have no clue anymore.
Should making the hole bigger, right?
A little bit.
Alright. So opening it up, and then
I'll rethread on this one.
yeah. Alright, we're rethreading that one. And then we have to rethread probably 2 more.
Yeah. JT wants to strip them all out, so.
Yeah. And then
Oh, don't get the metal shavings in the fucking engine, guy.
and now you guys see how retarded he is.
What are you doing?
Watching a YouTube video to make a YouTube video. Shout out Southern Homework.
While JT's doing that, I'm gonna push this thing out and power wash the engine bay. Clean up all this fucking nasty shit. See how nice this comes out. Totally forgot to record the aftermath of what it looks like, but this is what it looks like now. It's a little bit better. Got all the fucking gunk off that. Now, just going through the wiring harness and shit. Getting rid of all these fucking wires already cut. I don't know where they go. But yeah, just kind of clean it up a little bit. And Bitch Boy's back.
Hey, dude, Priya Rai has an amazing rack. Just crank that out. What are we doing at E36?
So we got this fucking hoopty in here. It's my buddy Clayton's. But I put this in.
I plugged this in even though it was just sitting in a puddle of antifreeze.
Yeah, plug it in. Fucking church. But yeah, I installed this because his old one exploded.
Oh,
Took out
look
the
at the
windshield
custom
washer.
throttle cable. Let me put a little
Oh, I don't
flashlight
want
on for you.
Let's see. Yeah.
Look at the butt plug. There's a butt plug right here.
Yeah, I accidentally cut the throttle cable, but I don't want to talk about that.
Okay.
But this is just little shit I took out right here.
JB Weld, motherfuckers.
Oh shit, the JB Weld.
Actually, it's more like a JP Weld because you did it.
Yes, sir. This doesn't fall out, bro. Oh shit. Now let's get back to this shit. And I'll get back to you when I'm done. So far, this is what I'm taking out, all these wires and that shit. But it's getting there. Colin, what are you doing over there?
I'm making my own respirator out of a Solo cup.
What are you making it for?
Corona.
Coronavirus?
No, it's Corona time.
That's all the crusty fucking tape. Those are just the extra wires I took out.
Growler.
What are you doing over there, bro? But now I'm waiting for the, I ordered tape that's like fabric instead of electrical tape because that's crusty. So I'm looking nice and nice. And yeah,
The fuck's JT? I want my fucking Jade Garden before they close it down.
Dodge the father and ram
Ram the daughter.
Past 2 videos have been kind of boring and all over the place, but once my motor comes back from the machine shop, there'll be a lot better content. But for now, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time, bitches.